Listen, I thought they was gonna have their ass handed to them with a lawsuit. What's up, fam? It's Jadore, and I'm here today because I got a box. I got a box from Copycat Beauty, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of it. So let's get started. This is the box that I got from Copycat Beauty, and we're going to just open this and see what's inside. So let's open this up. There's like a lot of stuff in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh! Jesus. So we have a 24K gold mask sheet 3-pack, which is really good for your face. We have a tomato mask sheet. I have a snail mask sheet. I've never heard of a snail mask sheet before, but we're gonna try it. We have a honey mask sheet. We have a lavender mask sheet, a aloe mask sheet. Oh my gosh, I got a brush. I'm about to use this. I need this for my wig. Brushes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me open this. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at all of these brushes. See, I'm not going to open all of these, you guys, but I'm just going to see how they... Oh my gosh, this is really soft. This is called a Paris Tools Brush GT01. This is what it looks like if you guys want to order it from Copycat Beauty's website. And I'll put all of their information in like the description area, like right above the video, so you guys can check them out. Oh my gosh, this is like a lot of brushes, you guys. I'm so freaking ecstatic about this. Oh, so I got some mini palettes. They look like this. And one of them is called Smoke It Out. One of them is called Cafe. The others are Autumn and... Oh, I have two Autumns. This is Smoke It Out, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is really nice. Now let's swatch the gold one. Okay. Okay, Pigment. I see you. Whoa. Do you guys see that? There, let's try the black, because you know, most blacks are ashy. I'm not mad at it. You can definitely build it up. I've definitely seen blacker blacks though. But for what it is, I mean, this is like bomb. So now I'm gonna open Cafe so we can see how that one looks. So this is what Cafe looks like. Pretty rose, like rose golds and pinks and maroons in there. Let me just swatch. Oh, that's pretty. Oh man, these like little palettes have a lot of color in them for them to be a dupe, you know. So now we're gonna open Autumn. So this is what Autumn looks like. Really pretty. Oh, let's swatch this color. Let's do it right here so you guys can see it. Ooh, that's pretty. I love it. Oh, those are so nice, you guys. The packaging is like, oh my goodness. Now I can definitely tell that these are dupes for Anastasia. So we're gonna open this one. This one says it's called Tropical Glow. Okay, word. Pretty. this is what Tropical Glow looks like. I know the packaging is like, whoa. So I'm just going to, I just put it on my thumb because I'm running out of fingers here. All right, let's look on the back of my hand because, okay, definitely not as like blinding, but it has nice pigment. Like, I'm not gonna lie, definitely not as blinding, but it does have nice pigment. Let's see the other one. Running out of fingers. Okay, this one's a little bit more sheer, but it does have more sparkle to it than this one. Definitely better. All right, let's try this one. See, yeah, this one is more sheer too, but definitely has more sparkle than the first one. I don't know, the first one is kind of like matte, like a matte highlight. It doesn't look matte in the pan, but it is like matte. Okay, that one's more bronzy. That one also has more sparkle. It's a little bit more flatter than the other ones, but it definitely has more sparkle. You can kind of see it. This one is really kind of like chalk. It's like chalky. But I love the other three. Let's open Beach Glow. See what this one looks like. Ooh, this one has more of a pinky kind of look. All right, let's swatch this one. Oh, that one is freaking gorgeous. It's like a multi-dimensional one. That's freaking gorgeous. Let's try this one. This is a pink one. Yeah, I'm not good at swatches, so. Ooh, that's pretty. That's freaking pretty. That is. Woo! Okay, let's see this one. Let me see. That one is cute too. Okay, I think I like this palette more than the other palette. If you guys want to purchase from Copycat Beauty, most of their products on their website will have the picture of what it's duping on the website. So if you're like, say you're gonna buy this palette is going to have the palette that it's copying right next to it to tell you the difference in price and to tell you that it works basically the same. So you can buy, you know, most of the same price or most of the same products for cheaper. So I mean it's kind of good in a way, but then you're like, damn, bitch, you just gonna copy off everybody? You just gonna copy? You're just going to copy? Listen, I thought they was gonna have their ass handed to them with a lawsuit. But I mean, if I can get the same type of products for a cheaper price, why not? This one is called Chroma Bar, excuse me. Okay, this is cute. I love it. A little Urban Decay dupage going on right here. This is like really nice. Okay, let's swatch it. I'm just gonna swatch two colors out of here. Let's do blue because blue, damn. Do you see this pigment? Woo! Sheesh. Do you see this? Are you like, that is nice. Let's do one more. Let's do this like shiny gold color right here. Ooh, this is like really creamy. It's kind of like kicking out of the pan. I don't know if you guys can see it on my finger, but it's like real. Ooh. There is some fallout with this, but it's a real pretty color. And I can already tell that this is the dupe for the chocolate bar palette. All right, first test. Let's see if it smells like chocolate. This smells like chocolate. Like legit. like cocoa powder. Oh my god. Yep, so the exact dupe for the chocolate bar palette. Look at it. Super, super cute. Especially if you on a budget, honey. Sorry guys, I know my light is like kind of glaring off on some products, but hopefully you can see them. So, ooh, these have a lot of color, you guys. Copycat Beauty said, I'm copying y'all, but I got pigment, honey. Woo! So here goes some other ones. This one is called Exposed 1 and Exposed 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open Exposed 1 first. All right, Exposed 1. Okay, so this is supposed to be kind of like a highlighter, like blush duo type of situation going on. Super duper cute. Let's see what Exposed 2 looks like. Super duper cute. Okay, so I have some liquid glitter eyeshadows. These are supposed to be a dupe for the Stila eyeshadows. And this one is called, oh, I guess they don't have names. They just have numbers. This is what it looks like. This is a gold one. This is kind of bronze. And silver. This one is peach. This one is black. So this is an eye marker from DM. It's supposed to be an eyeliner. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Let's give it a swatch here. Wow. That is like bomb. And you guys, pans are more easier to use than like, I don't know, just like liquid. Some people, liquid can get everywhere and some people are really, really scared of liquid. So I have a gel eyeliner from them. Oh, and it has like plastic on it so it doesn't dry out, which is very smart. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, you guys, I missed a liquid eyeshadow. This one is lavender. And I got a couple lippies. I got some liquid lipsticks. So these don't have names on them either, but I can tell you that this one is already my favorite because it's nude. I love nude liquid lipsticks. So I got got 7 liquid lipsticks, and this is what they look like. These look like dupes for the NYX Lingerie Suede liquid lipsticks. I got pinks and reds, and these are super, super cute. Love them. I got some lipsticks. We're gonna see what these look like. Okay, these look like MAC Cosmetics tubes. Like this is a dupe for MAC. You can see the packaging. It looks directly like their cream sheen and lusters and all of those lipsticks from MAC. Okay, go off Ruby Woo. This is a red, looks like Ruby Woo. I don't know if you guys can see it. Super, super cute. Ooh. Okay, nude. What nude from MAC does this look like, y'all? Comment and let me know what you think, what it looks like. Not creme de nude. Creme de nude was a little bit more nude than this. Can't think. Comment below which you think this is a dupe for from MAC. It looks lighter on camera, but it's really darker. It's not that light. So creme de nude wouldn't be it. It would be a different one, but I don't know yet. Wouldn't be Teddy either. Teddy is it's brown. That's not really brown, but it's not really like nude either. Oh, I forget the name of this one. It's on the tip of my tongue. This is really, really cute. Okay. This is kind of on the sides of heroin. It's a little bit lighter than heroin, but it's giving me heroin vibes. Yes, lipstick. This looks brown on camera, but it's really like a deep purple. Smoked purple, maybe? I don't know. What do you guys think? Alright, last but not least, this one looks the same as the other one. This one looks the same as the other one, so I think they gave me 2 of these. I don't remember which pink it is though. What do you guys think? Thank you so much, Copycat Beauty, for sending me these products. I really, really love them all. Now, let's get into a look. I already have on my foundation and my concealer. Now we're going to throw in some eyes and some lashes and the rest of the face, and we're going to get cracking.
Coming out hard like 88, make a bitch levitate, baby face ass bitch, I don't play